Hello everybody, today I'm going to do another demo of a CKAD exam lab. CKAD exam is one of the Kubernetes certification exams. This particular one is kind of easy, but there's a trick to it. So let's look at the requirements. So there is a pod running with named foo-pod. We're supposed to find out what environment variables its container has and what value it's set to. And then we have to update that value to foo-bar and see how we can get done. Here, the trick, so let's do the first step first, and then I will talk about the trick. So let's see what pod is running. Here's the foo-pod running, and we can find out everything about that pod by just running kubectl describe command, foo-pod. And in it is there's a section for the container, and in the container there is an environment section, and it says hello from the environment. That is the current value, right? And here's the trick: to change that, you cannot just override in the running container environment. There's no such thing. That's not possible. So we will have to take a dump of the YAML file for this pod, save it, kill the pod, and then edit the file to the new value and restart the pod. So let's see. So first of all, let's get the YAML file. So let's get kget, k it's alias for kubectl, kget pod foo-pod -o YAML. That's the YAML file. So let's save that to a file called b.yaml. It doesn't matter what you call it. So let's look at the file itself. And if you look for, by the way, these annotations, they're added by Kubernetes, so we don't even need that. Let me just leave it there and leave everything there. It might complain, and I will have to change that, but let's see how that goes. So here's the environment definition, and we're supposed to change that to foo-bar. So let's kill the pod now. Okay, delete pod foo-bar. I'm just going to use force, that way it'll be quick. Not foo-bar, it's foo-pod is the name of the pod. So let's kill the pod. What's going on? Foo-pod, I mistyped it again. There should be a space in between. So let's kill the pod. Let's make sure it's gone. Now we're going to recreate the pod using the YAML file that's now been modified. Okay, apply -f b.yaml. Notice it didn't complain, right? Even though there's a lot of junk that Kubernetes adds to the pod definition, status, and whatnot, if you recreate it, it overrides those things again. So you don't have to clean up the YAML file. So let's see. Let's get pod. There's the pod. Okay, describe the pod. And we should see the name as the value of the environment value has changed. The environment value is key is XYZ. The value is foo-bar, which is the new value. So this is the lab. As you can see, it's not very difficult, but there's a trick to it. All right, I hope you find this lab useful. If you do, please like and subscribe. That helps me with the YouTube algorithm. And I will see you next time.